Hey guys, RageRapid here, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer files to or from an Amazon Fire tablet when connecting it through USB to a computer. So I have an Amazon Fire HD10 Plus here, and I'm going to be connecting it to a Windows 10 computer. So I have a USB-A to USB-C cable with the USB-A plugged into the computer, and we're now just going to plug the USB-C end into the tablet. So now with the USB cable connected to the tablet and the computer, the tablet should now detect that we have a USB connection. So if we pull down the notifications, we should now have a system notification here. So if we press on that, and then we press on it again, it should then open up the USB preferences. Now you can also just come to settings. So if I just close that down, and I just come to the settings like usual, and I search for USB preferences, we can then also access it through that method. Now in the USB preferences, we're going to change it from use USB for from no data transfer to file transfer. So now the file transfer option has been selected. If we now come over to the computer, as you can see, the Fire tablet has been detected. And if we open up the File Explorer and we come to this PC, as you can see, it is detected here. So if we open up the Fire device here, and then we open up internal storage, this is now the internal storage of the tablet. So if I go into the downloads folder, and then I copy this APK into it, it will then transfer the file to the tablet over the USB cable. So now that is done, we can just close this window, and if we come back to the tablet, and I just unplug the USB cable, and I come back to home, and I go into files, and then I come to downloads, as you can see the file that we copied onto the tablet is now here. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.